Alright guys, today we're going to be looking at the Mechanix Coyote Brown Tactical Gloves. But before we get into that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to buy these, check out the link in the description below, and I've got all the things, all the links you need to go check these out and buy these yourself. So let's get into it. These are tactical gloves. Now, they can be used as work gloves, but they're mostly tactical. They have extra padding here on the finger, on the trigger finger, and stuff like that. I actually bought these when I was at 29 Palms for field ops, stuff like that. I still use them all the time. These are awesome gloves. Like, they're a little bit expensive for work gloves, but you can't really beat them for the price. These cost about $35 if I remember correctly, and these are just all-around great gloves. I use these in tactical situations quite a bit because what's great is they've got rubber backing, which provides impact resistant. It actually says impact on it, but then your trigger finger is free. It doesn't have this rubber on it, which allows you for a little bit more versatility. I actually use these dirt biking as well. Actually, I got into a motorcycle accident with this glove here. You can see it ate a hole in here, but this actually protected my hand quite a bit. They also have double leather on the parts of your palm that are going to get the most use. So right up here near where your fingers connect and then your palm areas. Overall, these are really good gloves. They've got the loops here where you can clip them on your flak jacket or really whatever you want to clip them on. They also have Velcro so you can really cinch them down around your wrists. So overall, I've used these gloves a lot in a lot of different situations, and these are just a really good purchase. They're really well made, they're really versatile, and they're just a great product. I can't recommend these enough because I really like these gloves. They come in handy all the time, both for work situations, for tactical situations, you know, even down to riding my motorcycle. These are just really good pieces of equipment. So, you know, again, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you want to buy these awesome gloves, check in the description below. And I gotta say, I'm not being sponsored in any way. I have no affiliation with Mechanix. I just really like this product and I really like their gear. So check that out, and as always, have a great day.